Hello student, myself Rajiv Maurya and here we are going to discuss about the topic and the topic is area and perimeter. The topic is area and perimeter. What is the area and what is the perimeter of a closed figure? You know very well, but for your convenience I will repeat again. What do you mean by perimeter? So if we talk about perimeter, we say that perimeter is the total length of boundary of a closed figure is called perimeter, and if we talk about area, then we say that the measurement of the interior of a closed figure is called area. And if we talk about a rectangle, then its perimeter is given by 2 times of its length plus breadth, and if we talk about its area, then it will be length into b. So this is the formula that we use in order to find out the perimeter of a rectangle, and this formula we shall use to find out the area of rectangle. And similarly, if we talk about square, then its perimeter is equal to 4 times of its sides, and its area will be side into side. So these four formula we use to find out the solution. So let's see some important question which are very important from the point of view of examination. So we shall discuss your question directly because I hope you know all things very well. So let's see the question. So here we see the first question. The first question, I hope that the question is visible. So the first question is, the area of a square and rectangle are equal. The area of square and rectangle are equal if the side of the square is 40 centimeter and the breadth of rectangle is 25 centimeter. Then find the length of rectangle and also find the perimeter of rectangle. क्वेश्चन को समझिए बच्चा. क्वेश्चन क्या कहता है कि एक स्क्वायर है और एक रेक्टेंगल है. एक स्क्वायर है और एक रेक्टेंगल है और दोनों की एरिया बराबर है. ठीक है, यहाँ पर बोला है एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल एंड स्क्वायर आर इक्वल इफ द साइड ऑफ स्क्वायर इज 40 सेंटीमीटर. अगर स्क्वायर का साइड दिया 40 सेंटीमीटर तो हमको बताना है कि रेक्टेंगल की लेंथ क्या होगी, क्योंकि उसका ब्रेड्थ दिया हुआ होगा, और रेक्टेंगल की पेरीमीटर क्या होगी. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, इन ऑर्डर टू फाइंड आउट द लेंथ ऑफ द रेक्टेंगल एंड द पेरीमीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर. Because since the area of square is equal to the area of rectangle, then if we find out the area of square, then this area will be equal to the area of rectangle. Since the breadth is given here as 40 centimeter, the breadth is given as 25 centimeter, and when we put the value of the area of square in the formula of area of rectangle, from where we get the measurement of length. And after getting the measurement of length of the rectangle, we can easily find out the perimeter of rectangle. So here we find out the length. So here, in order to find out, first of all we find the area of square. So let's see. Let me raise this. So here we write area of square. Area of square is equal to होता है side into side. Area of square is equal to side into side, and the side of square is given as 40 centimeter. So we write here 40 into 40, and when we solve we get 1600 centimeter square. सिर्फ एरिया of square is equal to area of rectangle. Therefore we write L into V, which is the area of rectangle, and this equal to, what is the area? 1600, we write 1600. Since breadth of the rectangle is 25 centimeter, so we write here L into 25 is equal to 1600, or L is equal to 1600 upon 25. Okay, and when we solve we get 64. We get 25 on the 25 and 64 times of this, so we get 64 centimeter. 64 centimeter is the length of rectangle, and here we get the length and the breadth is given, so we can find out the perimeter of rectangle. So the perimeter of rectangle we can find here, P is equal to 2 times of L plus B. So here we write 2, and the L is given as 64 plus 25, and we add, we get 2 into 89. After multiplication, 2 9 is 18, 2 8 is 16, plus 170 centimeter. So the perimeter is 178 centimeter and the length is 64 centimeter. So I hope the solution of this question is clear to everyone. Now let's see the next question. And the next question is given here. The question is, a wire is in the shape of a square of side 10 centimeter. यहाँ पर एक वायर है जिसको हम स्क्वायर के फॉर्म में क्या किए हैं, बेंट किए हुए हैं. ठीक है, एक स्क्वायर, एक वायर है, और उस वायर को हम क्या किए, एक स्क्वायर के रूप में हमने लिया. ऐसे एक वायर है और उस वायर को स्क्वायर के रूप में कन्वर्ट किया गया है. क्लियर? तो ये एक स्क्वायर जिसकी एक साइड क्या है, 10 सेंटीमीटर का, 10 सेंटीमीटर. ये एक स्क्वायर जिसकी साइड क्या है, 10 सेंटीमीटर. If the wire is rebent into a rectangle of length 12 centimeter, then find its breadth, which encloses more area, the square or the rectangle. क्वेश्चन में बोला है कि उसी वायर को बेंट करके फिर एक रेक्टेंगल बनाया गया है जिसका लेंथ 12 मीटर है. इसी ये जो स्क्वायर बना है, इसी को हम बेंट करके क्या बनाते हैं, एक रेक्टेंगल बना रहे हैं जिसकी लेंथ क्या है, 12 सेंटीमीटर. और ये ब्रेड्थ हमसे पूछ रहा है, ब्रेड्थ क्या होगा, ये पूछा गया है. और ये पूछा जा रहा है कि कौन सा फिगर, स्क्वायर या रेक्टेंगल, किसकी एरिया ज्यादा होगी. क्वेश्चन में ये भी लिखा है. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ, द perimeter of square. Since the same wire is rebent in the form of rectangle, therefore the perimeter of square and the perimeter of rectangle both are equal. So in order to find out the breadth of rectangle, first of all we find out the perimeter of square. When we get the perimeter of square, then this perimeter of square will equal to the perimeter of that rectangle, because the same wire is used in the both condition, that is in the square and in the rectangle. After getting the perimeter of rectangle, we put the value of perimeter in the formula of rectangle, we get the breadth of rectangle. And after getting the breadth of rectangle, we can easily find out the area of both figure, that is area of square and area of rectangle. Then we shall see which closed figure having the more area. Okay, so first of all we find the perimeter of square. Perimeter of square, and the perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side. So we write 4 into 10 is equal to 40 centimeter. So the 40 centimeter is the perimeter of square. Since perimeter of square is equal to the perimeter of rectangle, therefore 2 times of length plus breadth is equal to 40 centimeter. Since the length of rectangle is given as 12, so we write 2 12 plus b is equal to 40, or 12 plus b is equal to 40 by 2. This 2 is multiplied in L plus b, so when you go to the right side of equal, it becomes divided, and here you get 12 plus b. 12 plus b is equal to 20. Okay, or it can be written as b is equal to 20 minus 12, which give 8 centimeter. So the 8 centimeter is the breadth of rectangle. I hope it is clear. After the finding of breadth, we find the area of rectangle. So here we find area of rectangle. Area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So the length is 12 and the breadth is 8, which is equal to 96. 12 at the 96 centimeter square. Again we find area of square, and this is equal to 10 into 10, which is equal to 100 centimeter square, so that therefore square has greater area. Square has greater area. So I hope it is clear. So student, these are the solution of this question, and I hope all the solution you understood carefully. If you have any doubt, any confusion, then you can ask your confusion by dropping a comment in the comment section. I will clear your all the doubt in my next video. So if you like the video, then please share the video to your other classmates. So we shall meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye.